And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. Galbraith there in the distance. Just about an hour ago, fairly cloudy skies here. Minus 23 degrees is where we're at. That's our daytime high, a balmy minus 23. We got down to minus 35 this morning at 6 a.m. and that's when wind chill was still a factor and it felt like minus 42 degrees. But we're not factoring in wind chill. We'll call it being, it is what it is, minus 23 degrees right now. Winds are out of the west-southwest. There is the beginning of the end of this cold snap. We needed to see a directional change in the wind. We need to get that up top and at the surface, and that'll be happening as we, as we head towards the weekend. So that's the good news. Temperatures, though, we're still reflecting those very, very chilly temperatures. Not as chilly as what we saw up on the screen yesterday. Most areas were in the low minus 30s at this time yesterday. So we're starting to see that improvement. We'll see it tomorrow. We'll see a little bit more on Friday. And then as we head into Saturday, we have a Chinook on the way. Right now, our satellite is showing we've got that high thin cloud that's just milling across southern Alberta, well, actually all of Alberta and southeastern BC as well, picking up this cloud cover. The main flow of precipitation is to the south of the 49th parallel, and that's because this area, this Arctic mass, is really compressing the snowfall, so it's to the south of the border, and areas like Oregon yesterday got 71 centimeters of snow, Montana, Idaho getting heavy snowfall as well, and you can see how that is happening and compressing it down to the south. So we are expecting here in Lethbridge later in the day tomorrow, as the jet stream just starts to make a little bit of a climb, we could see maybe 2 centimeters on the ground tomorrow evening here in the Lethbridge area, but that's a very tiny little amount in the big scheme of things. So right now we're looking at the forecaster clearing us out nicely, and that's going to be the trend as we head into the weekend as well. Down east, a low pressure center in northern Quebec, rotating colder air down, wind chill warnings in effect in northern Quebec, heavy snowfall warnings for areas along the St. Lawrence, strong winds and snowfall expected in Atlantic Canada as well. And then from northern Ontario all the way to the BC border, we're looking at wind chill effects for most areas. As we mentioned, the extreme southern area of Alberta, we've seen those wind chill warnings lifted, but they're still in effect in BC along the coast as well. Through Whitehorse, they're looking, well, they had quite a bit of sunshine today, minus 29 degrees right now, but they had a lot of sunshine, and they're getting blowing snow tonight, and that's the same thing with Yellowknife, expecting more blowing snow in the overnight hours. East Kootenay, you're looking at cloudy skies with a chance of flurries tonight, down to minus 19. Tomorrow, 12 degrees for a high. East winds at 20 kilometers per hour. It'll be fairly cloudy for you with the odd little sunny break. Crow's Nest Pass, looking at cloudy skies with a chance of flurries tonight, minus 31. Tomorrow, same scenario, chance of flurries, still with that high thin cloud, minus 22, don't we wish, minus 22 degrees for a high. Medicine Hat, partly cloudy tonight, minus 30, minus 19 tomorrow for a daytime high. You'll have a sun and cloud mix with still about a 30% chance of seeing some flurry activity. And here in Lethbridge, we'll get down to minus 29 degrees tonight with a chance of a flurry. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix and that chance of evening snow that I mentioned, a couple centimeters on the ground, and minus 20 degrees for a high. We'll repeat that high on Friday. Chance of flurries in the forecast on Friday, but then we do a big shift as we head into Saturday. And right now, everything is lining up for this forecast to be true. So get ready for the Chinook to come. And then as we get into next week, right now it looks like from Tuesday to Thursday, at least, we're in positive numbers. So this is a warming trend, not just a one-day event. Yes, that's it for me.